Good morning, everybody. It's Kelly. I know it's been a couple weeks. It's been very busy. There was a little bit of overtime at work, which I have not seen since Superstorm Sandy, so I jumped all over that. I hope everybody had a great holiday weekend. I know that I did. I had Sherry and her kids come and stay with me, and Cindy came over. It was great, and I got together with my high school group of friends. She had a block party, one of them had a block party, and everybody came, even the ones from out of state, and I brought Sherry and her girls to their first New York block party, or Long Island block party. It was a ton of fun. So, you know, things have been going. Life is typical roller coaster, as is for most of you. Right now I'm trying to focus on getting my health back in check. Things have been so busy and I was working so many hours. Now the holiday is over, and now it's my birthday month, and it's time to focus on me. Last night I think I went out at 8:30 at night. And of course, as I went for my walk, I got stopped by a neighbor and was chit-chatting for 5-10 minutes, sidetracked, but I still continued on, did my exercise, my walk, my route, and then I came back, hopped in the pool, and did a couple of laps in the pool. It's a start. It's a start. Today is going to be super hot, in the 90s. The humidity here is insane. So, you know, I'm doing what I can do. It's really about priorities, because we make time for what's important to us. And, you know, I've had this, I don't know if it's sciatica or a pinched nerve or whatnot. I'm working with my chiropractor, if I can ever get an appointment, because he's with the holiday and his hours and my hours, they're not coinciding. I definitely think I need to go get some x-rays to find out what's going on, but in the meantime, I just got to continue to push through and get on it, because I'm not getting any younger. I will be 44 this year, and I have to make a commitment to myself. I have to continue to make myself a commitment and be the role model for my girls to stay healthy and be around. So I hope you all have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.